Yeah, I mean, congratulations. I understood you got a job in Bangalore only, that too in your dream field. How you feel, and can you give your introduction in Kannada or Hindi, whatever language you like?
Sir, sir, thank you for the opportunity. And I have got a job in kitchen concept as a site supervisor. And I am from Hassan. My name is Ameen Pasha. I am from Hassan, and I have completed my graduation in Rajeev Institute of Technology, Hassan. And after that, I didn't have idea how to get into the field. So I got to know that there is an institute called this construction management and interior design management through one of my senior. So I came here for that, and I have pursued a course in interior design management as well as construction management. And my interest was in interior department, and that is how I got a job in interior department.
Wonderful. Yeah, in this process, means when you completed, which year you have completed your engineering?
Sir, I recently completed, sir, in 2022, August 2022.
Okay, fine. After then, you are searching for jobs.
No, sir, I didn't go to search. I After my exam, I directly came to this institute, sir. I
Okay,
didn't.
so your senior already got placed through the
Yes,
CMTA. You have an idea about CMTA. So once you completed your engineering, directly you came here.
yes, sir.
And how was the education here? Here, the practical training. The program name is Certificate Course on Advanced Construction Management. Is it really advanced? Is it really useful for you? And how it benefited you?
Sir, to be frank, it was very benefit. It gave me a very good knowledge. So I can say it, by honestly, I can say that in last 4 years, so there was nothing to like. I had completed my graduation, but to be honest, I have learned in nothing. Okay, there was no practical knowledge at all. Okay, only we used to study from books. Before one day of exam, we go to exam and we write the exam, we clear exam. That's it. We didn't had any on like in 4 years we could say we had only 4 to 5% of knowledge in civil. We don't know what is happening. So after coming here, so I we were assisted by other guest, all the lecturers, and we were taken to the site visits. So there we could learn all the practical knowledge, and it was very helpful, sir.
You mean to say the visualization happened when you came to here, whatever here you are learning in the classroom, again you are seeing them in the site so that you got a better knowledge compared to bookish knowledge.
Yes, yes, sir. Yes.
And how was the trainers support for you in the college, in the training academy? Which one was better, and how it helped you?
Sir, in college it was like that was their job. They used to come, they used to teach, they used to go. Like there also, they also asked us to they asked us doubt, but there we had not that much of interest to ask the doubts there. So once we came here, here also lecturers were very good. They were very experienced, and they forcefully asked doubt for us. They forcefully asked to present us, and it was very helpful for us.
Fine, fine, fine. Not an issue. And what are the site visits you went for, and how the schedule was there? Are you able to cope up the schedule and the Bangalore city? And you came from a place called Hassan. It is far away, little far away from Bangalore. How you adjusted yourself for Bangalore climate and for the culture and the other things?
Sir, firstly, I had been for many of the site visits. Like coming to civil, I had been to Victoria Hospital, I had been to Manipal Hospital, I had been to Homeland Showroom, I had been to many 2 to 3 houses, okay, which were in under interior construction, and I had been to these factories also. And other than that, Bangalore was I adjusted in Bangalore because before graduation also I completed my PUC in Bangalore. That is how it was easy for me to survive in Bangalore.
Okay, fine. So what about the softwares? How you learn the softwares? See, a lot of other institutes also teaching the softwares. And what is the difference of learning in other institutes, the softwares only? Here you are learning from the experts. How it made effective for you?
So like learning in like there will be labs there who teach only software. So here we have learned software from the working professionals. So they know what is going on, what should a basic or what should a beginner should learn. So according to that, we got a good software knowledge also, and it was very helpful for us to crack the interviews. In some of the interviews, we were asked to design in AutoCAD and SketchUp. So it helped some way to crack the interviews.
Actually, here I want to stress, yeah, you of course you are right. Here also I want to stress. Some of the students are asking me, sir, teach me costing, teach me this, teach me that. But since we know the students and industry both, so what exactly the industry wants from a fresher only we are teaching. We are not teaching which is going to use for next 5 years, which is going to fetch you a job immediately, and which is going to help to build your career that we are doing. There is each step. Someone in a recent interaction morning, only one of the student asked me, sir, I don't want to learn quantity surveying, I want to learn costing. Costing is interesting me. See, the fundamental he should understand. Without knowing drawing study, without knowing quantity survey, he can't do the costing. Okay.
Yes,
So here we the industry experts who are here are understanding the syllabus of the college and the syllabus of the what exactly required for the industry we are giving. So you need to trust us. The students has to trust us, and each and every subject is important. What we are teaching, and that's why we tell for our institute 100% is the attendance requirement. Okay. Other colleges may say 60% is enough for the attendance. We say 100% because a building will be incomplete if you miss any of the activity.
correct, correct.
Okay, construct a building, 100%. Electrical should be there, plumbing should be there, borewell should be there, flooring should be there, everything. Can you tell that, sir, these are the activities I don't like, so I leave these activities, I will complete a building? So this example I used to tell for the students, you can't skip any of the activity when you are working for an organization, working for a client, whatever the BOQ is given or the works are given, you have to complete the entire set. You can't tell that I don't like this, I don't do this, I don't have idea on this, means you have to get an idea about it. So each and every subject what we are training here is going to help somewhere in the job that everyone, whoever the student passes out here, they become easily for the employer also, for them easy to observe them, and after then they tell them, sir, your student knows all these things. So don't miss any of the classes, I suggest for all the other students also. And what about the feedback about the trainers and as well as the supporting staff? How they helped? How our HR coordinated your interviews?
Sir,
Are they able to give you the interviews continuously wherever it is happening? And how the support was there?
Sir, I got support was very good from the teaching staff as well as non-teaching staff also, sir. And the classes were also on proper schedule. I completed all the all the classes in a proper schedule. And regarding this interviews, I have attended nearly around 9 to 10 interviews. So in starting interviews, I could say I was not confident, so that I couldn't get selected. So after
Means
that,
the preparation level was not up to the mark.
not up to the mark. I was not such that confident. So after that, I started working on technical and all the communication. And in some of the companies, the job descriptions didn't meet my resume, and because of that, I was not selected. And now I am very confident. So I think so I have got this job.
Wonderful, wonderful. So, what do you want to suggest your classmates as well as your juniors and seniors? Because you can see in CMTA, there are students from 22 batch available, 21 batch available, even 19, 18 batch students also available, and even the MTech students also available. So, what do you want to convey to your peer community?
Sir, nowadays what happened is everybody at the other departments, they think that there is no future in civil, so that they are jumping to other branches. So now, as we have entered to this field completely, so we have to bear the load. We have to face the issues. We have to resolve it in ourselves. That is how we go and we improve in our future. So
Yes,
I request all my friends to don't lose your hopes. So and try your best, and one or the other day we'll get our success.
definitely. For civil engineering means experience. Experience
Experience.
people, if you get connected with them, definitely you also gain your experience. Once you gain your experience, everything will come to your place. Yeah,
Correct.
whatever you look for, automatically it will come to you. So I wish you wonderful future ahead, Ameen. I hope
Thank
you
you.
will do justice for your company and
Sure.
you will honestly work for your company. I wanted to see your elevation in upcoming years, and even our HR support will be there forever. You've seen a lot
Sure.
of people again after a few years also again they come back and we will support for next level of elevation also.
Yes,
I
sir.
wish you good luck for the
Thank
future. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. Thank you so much.